Miracles really do happen. Man walked on the moon, call waiting was created, and Lois Lane got her first byline on the front page of the Inquisitor.
Hey, that's great, Lo. I don't know how I feel about the alien angle, but...
Yeah, I wasn't too crazy about the ET spin either, but my editor insisted it helps sell papers, so...
Well, let's hear for journalistic integrity.
Look, I swear, you guys, when I was writing that article, I don't know, I don't think I've ever been happier in my life. The thrill of discovery, the clacking of keys, the scent of fresh ink. Yeah, I think I finally found my calling.
Hey, how about you come join us at the lake? We can celebrate your first article with the splash.
Have you looked up in the sky lately? It looks like it's gonna rain, and since I don't like swimming in the rain, I'll see you guys around.
It worked.